Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Kia Optima with a 2.4 GDI engine and you need to remove or replace alternators. Stay with us, we'll cover everything from start to finish, and with the engine being out we can clearly show you guys where everything is located and how to do it, because if it's in the vehicle it's almost impossible to show you everything with a great detail. So, this should work on Kia Optima guys, generation 2010 all the way to year 2015-16 with a 2.4 GDI engine guys. If you have one of those, it will cover that. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart and we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep providing this free information to you. If you need to buy tools, parts for a really good price and quick shipping as well, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. Number one thing when removing the alternator guys, what do you need to do? You need to actually make sure that the car battery is disconnected, because we have a positive wire going from the alternator to the battery that charges the battery, and if you touch that wire anywhere to the engine or anything like that to the engine, you can see sparks flying. You can cause damage to the electrical system and the engine computer. So disconnect the car battery. However, on these modern vehicles guys, it really matters which battery terminal you disconnect and reconnect first. If you don't know about that, we have a special video that explains it. Check out the link in the description of the video below, because if you do it the wrong way, again you can cause damage to the electrical system and the engine computer. Once all that is done, okay, you're going to come and see right here on the passenger side of the vehicle, that's your serpentine belt. This right here is your tensioner, so you need to get a wrench that fits there. Ours is 14mm. Go counterclockwise, release the pressure and remove the belt. That's our alternator right here. Now, how do we guys remove and replace that thing? You can see it has two bolts holding the alternator to the alternator bracket, one here, one over there. So we're going to get a 14mm, okay, and we're going to pre-loosen these bolts. Okay, right here, so we pre-loosen them. Practically the bottom one in most cases may not need to be removed, but sometimes it's harder to remove the alternator, so we will go ahead and remove ours as well. Okay, perfect. Now, car battery has to be disconnected, remember that. Alright, perfect. What we're going to do next here, okay, we're going to go ahead, okay, get a prying tool, okay, let's get a prying tool, and right here, or we need to tap on it, okay, to release it. So a screwdriver might work. You can see it will be tied there. Okay, it came out like that. Careful not to break the, okay, right here, actually this one is not even plugged in. This is the intake runner solenoid. Careful not to break it, it's right there guys. So we go and pull up at the same time. We will explain why. Okay, let me show you, because right here it goes, okay, you can see right like that. It's supposed to be to where you don't need to even remove the bolt, so it can slide up, but we really have hard time doing that, so we removed both of the bolts. Now right here, those are the wires that we need to disconnect. This is a 12-volt wire coming from the car battery. This wire is actually the wire, okay, let's twist it a little bit this way. Okay, that's the one coming, okay, from going to the computer to estimate the charging voltage. So this one is disconnected. Now the only thing left, okay, is that wire right here, which is with 12mm socket. So we need to go ahead, okay, and get that one loose with a 12mm, and it should come loose after that. So let's go ahead, get the ratchet. Actually impact will not fit in there, and we need to go ahead, okay, and remove it now. That's a positive wire that we've been talking about, that if you touch it to anything, okay, you can short things out, burn fuses, and it's a headache to fix. So that's it right here guys. The alternator will come on the upper side, and you will be able to pull it out. So hopefully guys the video will be helpful to any of you trying to figure this thing out. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.